Hey guys, welcome you all in a new video where I am going to give you some special tricks and special method by which you can unlock your smartphone's forgotten pin pattern and password lock without visiting any service center and without need any computer application. And the main thing is that of this method you are not going to losing any data of your smartphone. Okay, so be with us at the end of this video. Your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely without any data loss. And if you're watching this video, then I'm sure your phone has been locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock. You have tried a lots of video on YouTube and different platform to unlock your smartphone, but still now you're not success to unlock your smartphone. So don't worry at all. Be with us at the end of this video because the every step of this video is most important to unlock your smartphone. Okay. And this method is known as offline unlocking method. So let's start this method. Before starting this method, you will have to switch your phone on airplane mode, or you may also eject your smartphone's SIM card at the time of using this unlocking method. So simply you will have to slide your phone downside. You will get an option of airplane mode. Simply you will have to activate this airplane mode. Okay. Now after this, you will have to simply slide your phone upside like this. You will get an option of emergency call option. Simply you will have to click on this option. And when you will click on this option, you will reach to your phone's dialing pad like this. Now I am going to give you some special USSD code which will switch your phones to the master unlocking mode page. It's also known as engineers mode page. Okay, so this USSD code is star has 899 then has. Now you can see here after feeding this number star has 899 and has a new page has been appeared and the page name is engineers mode page. Okay, now you can see here there are lots of options on this page. Okay, but you will have to go with the option of manual test option which is showing at the fourth number. Simply you will have to click on this option. Okay, and when you will click on this option, again you will reach to a new page and the page name is again engineers mode page. You will get three type of option on this page, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this and you will have to continue slide your phone right side until you reach to the option of others. Now you can see here this is the others option. You will get five type of option on this page. You will have to go with the option of a database version. Okay, simply you will have to click on this database version 8 times rapidly. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Now the first step has been completed. Now the second step is simply you will have to go with the option of read write important lock test option which is showing at the second number. Simply you will have to click on this. At the first time when you will click on this, it will ask to confirm here, but you don't have to confirm here. Simply you will have to cancel this option at the first time. Again at the second time you will have to cancel this option. But at the third time when you will click on this read write important lock test option, you will have to go with the option of confirm with the OK button. When you will go with the OK button, you will get an pop-up of wrong password. It means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. But before going to the home page, you will have to follow the last step, and the last step is simply you will have to slide your phone left side like this and you will have to reach to the option of device debugging option which is showing here. Okay, now you can see here there are also lots of options on this page, but you will have to go with the option of sensor self test and calibration option which is showing at the sixth number. Simply you will have to click on this, and when you will click on this you will get two option, one option or three option on this page, and all the option will be showing here. Operation not started, you can see here. Simply you will have to start these operation by clicking on these option, and you will have to continue click on these option until you get a single test passed message in green color. Okay, so I am going to do this. You can see with me. Test has been started, test passed, test has been started. But you can see here second option is showing here test has been failed, but a single test passed message has been appeared on my phone display. It means my smartphone is completely unlocked. But before going to the home page, you will have to again go with the back button, and again you will have to reach to the option of others. Now you will see here there are five type of option, but you will have to go with the option of key status which is showing at the third number. Simply you will have to click on this, and when you will click on this you can see here your phone's all the keys are showing here pass. It means your smartphone is completely unlocked without any data loss and without visiting any service center. Okay, so let's check here, is your phone unlocked or not. So simply you will have to click on your phone's home button, which is showing at the bottom of the phone, and I'm going to do this. You can see here. Now you can see here this smartphone is completely unlocked, and you can see here all the application and all the games which were in my smartphone when my phone was not locked as it is as in my smartphone. So this trick really works, and if your smartphone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video. And if your smartphone could not unlock with the help of this video, then make us comment which type of issues you're facing to unlocking your smartphone with this method. Our team will quick response on your issues with the help of WhatsApp video call. Thank you so much.